For our units of measurement tutorial, we will discuss how to convert the following equation. If you have 5 ounces, you need to figure out how many grams that equals. In order to convert 5 ounces, we have to figure out what the conversion factor for ounces and grams is. On this slide, we're going to talk about how to convert a larger unit of ounces to a smaller unit in grams. First, you must find the conversion factor. You have to figure out how many ounces to how many grams. For example, you look at your conversion table on page 16 of your textbook. It'll show you how to convert ounces into grams. Your textbook states that 1 ounce is equal to approximately 28.4 grams. Therefore, to go from a larger unit of ounces to a smaller unit in grams, you will have to multiply them together. Therefore, to solve for 5 ounces equals X amount of grams, you will take your 5 ounces and multiply that by 28.4, since you already know that every ounce equals 28.4 grams. Now we can solve for 5 ounces equals how many grams. We already know that 1 ounce equals 28.4 grams. Therefore, if we take 28.4 grams and times it by 5 ounces, we'll end up with 142.0 grams, which is an approximate amount. We also have to remember that when you multiply it, you're going to get 142 because you have to move the decimal point over 1 spot to the left because of the 28.4. And that is the final answer.